massive earthquake with a preliminary magnitude of 7.6 struck off the southern Philippine coast on Saturday, leading many residents to evacuate their houses in fear after Philippine authorities issued a tsunami warning. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, the quake struck at 10:37 p.m. at a depth of 32 kilometers. There were no reports of serious damage or casualties at the time. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center initially predicted that tsunami waves would impact the southern Philippines, as well as regions of Indonesia, Palau, and Malaysia, based on the magnitude and location. However, the tsunami alert was later withdrawn by the center. Head of the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology Teresito Bacolcal told the Associated Press that his organization immediately warned residents along the coast of Davao Oriental and southern Surigao del Sur provinces to evacuate deeper inland or to higher ground. The earthquake agency issued a tsunami warning, advising boat owners in harbors, estuaries, or shallow coastal waters off the two provinces to secure their boats and move away from the waterfront. Based on the magnitude of the tremor, Bacolcal predicted a 1-meter, 3.2-foot tsunami, but the wave might be bigger in enclosed coves, bays, and straits. According to authorities in the government's disaster response agency, villagers began fleeing their homes to safety around midnight in Hinatuan town and outlying areas in Surigao del Sur province.